Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Revolut 18 to Apple Pay. Alright, let's begin. First of all, to link the card, head to the Cards tab, select the specific one you wish to add to your Apple Wallet and tap Add to Apple Wallet. Though I can't display a screenshot, the process resembles the usual app flow. Confirm the link and your card will appear in your wallet instantly. If you face issues, parents might need to grant permission within their Revolut app for the card to be added to a digital wallet. As long as you spot the Add to Apple Wallet option after tapping your card in the latest app version, you'll smoothly link it to your digital wallet with all the necessary details filled in. Once added, you can use it for contactless payments in store or online wherever Apple Pay is accepted. So that's basically how you can add Revolut 18 to Apple Pay. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.